Stewart Friesen and Johnny Sauter. Sauter on the inside, giving them the green, and there's 2 to go at Texas. Justin Haley moves into the 2nd spot, and Matt Crafton coming around the outside to try to challenge. Haley trying to hold off Friesen.
Friesen's going to have a bad angle when he gets down to the corner.
Friesen around the inside to 2nd. Johnny Sauter gets the white flag. There is 1 lap to go at Texas.
What a great job on that first lap after the restart for Johnny.
Friesen trying to close the gap. Friesen seeking his 1st career win. Sauter trying to hold on for his 4th of the season. Johnny Sauter holding off Friesen. Friesen looking inside. No! Johnny Sauter's going to win it for the 5th time at Texas.